Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to use Mythic Forge in a PUBG Mobile. So guys, I will be discussing about Mythic Forge today. So first things first is open up your PUBG Mobile application. And now over here, in order for you to go to the Mythic Forge tab, so go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. And now you should be able to have here multiple categories. So pretty much you could just simply swipe down and you should be able to see at the very top Mythic Forge. So go ahead and select the Mythic Forge over here. And now from here, as you can see guys, we should be able to have our Forge progress over here. And we should be able to have our anniversary deal. But pretty much on this event, you will get a double the Forge progress when drawing at the Mythic Forge until you draw the Mythic emblem for the first time of the day. And now we should be able to draw it, as you can see it down below. But guys, remember that you have to have 5 UC in order for you to proceed with this process. As you can see, we should be able to buy it at a $0.99. And now from here, as you can see, we should be able to see the price pool at the bottom left corner of the screen. And here on the price pool guys, this is all of the items that we could earn. We could also get an exclusive emote. So pretty much guys, from here, we should be able to redeem it as well. As you can see, the first time you tap on redeem, you should be able to have a free lucky discount draw. So just simply select any card. And as you can see, we should be able to have an 50% exclusive discount. And we could just simply tap on OK. And as you can see, instead of 10 emblem, we should be able to purchase it at 5 emblem. So pretty much over here, since I don't have enough mythic emblems, I have this pop up. But if you do, you should be able to purchase this one, and you should be able to have all of this item over here. Everything over here will be 50% off, as you can see, including the clothes, the guns, and the cars as well. We should have multiple categories as well. And pretty much over here on the Mythic Forge, this tab alone will give you all the details that you need. And pretty much over here, you should be able to utilize this information in order for you to use the Mythic Forge feature. And remember, this is only available up to March and up to May. So March and May will be the time frame in order for you to proceed with this process. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.